Hey, I'm here in Mumbai and today I have this program where I'm going to be training and mentoring, coaching sales team of a real estate company and a marketing company. आज हम बहुत important चीज़ discuss करने वाले हैं. What things that really make a great salesman, things that really separates a normal salesman from a great salesman. जैसे habits, रिचुअल्स, इंट्रोस्पेक्शन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, अपनी वीकनेसेस में चैलेंजेस जानना और में काम कैसे करना है, उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्शंस कैसे हैंडल करना है, रोल प्लेस कैसे इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. अगर आप अच्छे से रोल प्ले करें आपके रेगुलर ऑब्जेक्शंस को तो देखिए कितना फर्क पड़ता है. you'll never run out of ammunition.
मुझे गाना पड़ेगा मुझे पूछा रहा है.
अरे ये मेरी क्लोज यार. वेरी क्लोज यार.
Tell me, sir, 2-3 things that the team can do now. Let's start doing now.
They can do lot many things. First of all is the focus they have to start with. The energy, what you showed, now positive energies will come from here. And that will change the game.
How about role playing and rituals? Do you think that they are
They are very much important. See, there are many objections in life. With different customers, you have different objections. When you come start and play role plays, what happens is you come to know the different kind of customers which they have objections in, and from there you learn.
Tell me 2-3 things that you thought were valid and you should work on it, on yourself.
Definitely you should work on yourself because realizing yourself is the first part that you have to do. Second thing, acceptance of the change, and you're never too old to learn new things.
What is that one change that you'll bring in you?
I'll do less time wasting.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.